Sources say that the sale of Dhamra port, owned by Tata Steel and L&T, I believe it's a 50-50 JV, is gaining steam. It's not just Indian players, but marquee foreign companies are showing interest in the port as well. Nisha Poddar gets us the exclusive details on the interested parties. Nisha, what are your sources telling you?
That's right, Neeraj. My sources are telling me at this point there are quite a few players which are interested, and two of the names that I have picked up who are in the race for Dhamra port at the moment are Singapore's PSA, which is Port Authority of Singapore, and the second one is Gangavaram Port, which is a Vizag-based, Andhra Pradesh-based company, which also has marquee investors like Warburg Pincus holding about 31% stake in the company. So two of these prominent players have shown interest for Dhamra port. Remember, whatever cash comes in from the stake sale, and earlier we had mentioned that Tata Steel as well as L&T, who have a 50-50 JV for this particular company, have put the entire company on the block. In fact, they are okay with full or partial stake sale, and they've already spent about 3,000 crore rupees in the phase one of the Dhamra port project, which is, remember, based in Orissa. They've already got two terminals functional, which have 12.5 million tons of capacity each, and they have to expand more, but both the companies, L&T and Tata Steel, my sources tell me, are not ready to pump in more money, and they want to unlock the value of whatever already has been operational, and that's the reason why they have put it on the block. 3,000 crores is the kind of valuation that I'm gathering. Of course, if there are more players interested, and the marquee players that I've just mentioned, if these kind of companies are in the race, there could be a premium that the companies, that is Tata Steel and L&T, could command for the sale of this asset.